Welcome dear student. Nowadays many school is using this Teachment app for conducting many exam, and many students are facing many issues how to upload a file, PDF file on Teachment app. So this video is for you. Today we are going with how to upload answer sheet in PDF format on Teachment. So let's start. Once your teacher has uploaded the test, you can see this kind of notification. As I got this notification, your teacher had just posted a test which is scheduled on 2 p.m. and one is there that is it's scheduled on 1:05 p.m. So I think this is started now, so I am using the second number one. Okay, so you can see the two tests are there. One more way is there, that how can we start the test. So this is your classroom, so demo classroom. I need to click on that. If I click, you can see the number of different tabs: summary, student, recording, test, many things are there. So this kind of interface you can see. So what we need to do for opening the test, I need to click on this test tab. You can see these two tests are there. Your teacher has uploaded this two tests. One is ongoing and second one is not started, because that the second demo test 2 test is uploaded and it is scheduled on 2 p.m. Now it's 1:06. So the demo test, this test is ongoing, so I need to click on the test. You can see, so you may get this kind of interface. Here you can see the all details of that test: maximum marks, topic, test name, time, test duration, description, everything. And the last one you can see, that is attachment. So that attachment, your teacher has uploaded the test in PDF format, that's why you are getting your attachment. So if you want to see your question paper, you have to click on this icon, download icon. Now your question paper is being downloaded. Now you can see, so again tap on that. You can see the question paper. I have uploaded that question paper as a sample question paper, and in this way you can see your question paper. Now this is all about how can we see our question paper. Now the next step is how can we write the question paper and creating PDF, and how can we upload the answer sheet on the Teachment app. So for that, what we need to do, this is your question paper. Now you need to write the answers of these questions on a paper. So I am using this paper. You can see the camera. Okay, I am starting my camera right now. You can see I have used here this A4 size paper for writing my answer sheet. So I have used here student name, roll number, then subject and page number on every page. This is beneficial for you. Okay, then question number 1 and the answer of that. Now on second page also I have used the same thing. You can see question number, then sample answer. You can write the student name, roll number and subject on each page. That is beneficial for you. So what we need to do right now, we need to click the picture and then we will make a PDF of that. So we have opened the camera. Now this is our first page. So I am clicking the peak of this. Okay. Now the second one we will use this sample answer. Okay, so we have clicked both the answer sheet. Now I need to open the WPS office. I am going to open a WPS office from my mobile. So this is WPS office. We can use this WPS office for creating a PDF. So you can see one plus sign is there. So I am going to click on that. You will get this kind of thing, create new. So what we are making, we are trying to create a PDF, so we'll use the PDF option. Now this number of options you can see: create blank or note PDF, document to PDF or picture to PDF. So we are using picture to PDF because we have already clicked the pictures, so we'll use this picture to PDF option. Now you can see your gallery where you have already clicked the picture. We have clicked recently two pictures, this first and second. So I'm using this. I'm selecting first and second. Now you can click on this next option. Now you can change the layout or you can adjust it. Okay, so I'm not adjusting because all is corrected. So what we can do, click on save button. Now we need to save this PDF in our phone. So for that I am using the option save file to phone. I am using the option for phone. Now I am using this option, that is download. Now I am renaming this PDF and I am writing here answer sheet. Okay, and always make sure that .pdf extension is used there. Okay, answer sheet of a subject, you can write the subject name also. Then export to PDF. I am going to click on this export to PDF. Okay, so in this way we have created one PDF. Now what we need to do, we have created the PDF. Now we are going to upload that PDF on Teachment app. So again we will use this home button and we'll go back to our Teachment portal. So this is your question paper, you have solved the paper. Now we'll go back and this is online test. So here we need to submit our answer sheet. We have created PDF. Now that PDF will use as a submission of this online test. So you can see here add submission and attachment icon is also there. So just click on that. Again you will get here three options: images, document and camera. So we are going to use the document option for uploading the PDF. Now this number of options you can see where you have saved your PDF. So we are going to use this file manager. I have used the download option. Now I'll use this answer sheet.pdf. So I'm going to open this answer sheet and I have selected. Now I'm going to click on this OK button. Okay, so you can see answer sheet.pdf. This answer sheet we have uploaded as a submission, and you can upload maximum 12 files, but I am suggesting you that always use a single PDF file as a answer sheet. Okay, and then we need to click on this submit button. So in this way solution uploaded successfully we got. It means that we have submitted our answer sheet successfully and your teacher will get notification regarding your submission. Okay, so here we have covered this topic, that how to upload an answer sheet in PDF format on Teachment. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please comment in comment box. Okay then, bye bye.